Now that we talked a little bit about the Jenkins Job DSL, let's talk about something different, the Jenkins Pipelines. Jenkins Pipelines allow you to write the Jenkins build steps in code. So what do I mean with build steps and how can we put that in code, or why would we put that in code? Build steps allow you to write, build, like compile, test, and deploy in code. When you're going to build a project, you are probably going to need to compile it to build it. For instance, Java needs to be compiled. Then you want to run your tests, unit tests, maybe some other tests. And then you want to deploy your code. You want to put your code on a development server, on a staging server, or live on a production server. And code means that you can put this code in version control. So those steps, the build, test, deploy, and maybe other steps, you're going to put that in code and you're going to put that code in version control. It's all about automating this cycle. So you are maybe a developer or you are in operations, but the developer writes a code. That code needs to be built, needs to be compiled, needs to be tested, then needs to be released. You need to provision some server, and then you can deploy your release on dev, staging, production. And when it's on production, the customer can access it. This cycle, build, test, release, or build, test, deploy, depending on how you really define it in your continuous integration and continuous delivery platform. It's all about automating the cycle. The quicker you can do this, the better. The quicker that the developer can get feedback from the staging area, from the QA team, or from the customer, that his features work, that his features are good, that maybe there are bugs, and then the whole team can improve on that. And every time there's a new feature, every time there's new code, it needs to be pushed as quickly as possible in production. And using Jenkins or any other tool can help you to make this as quick as possible. So you see that it's not just about writing some scripts in Jenkins. You want to have it as automated as possible and you want to have them run as quickly as possible.